chlorophenol. Synthesis of chlorophenol. Chlorophenol is a antibiotic drug. It is a broad spectrum antibiotic. It is a broad spectrum antibiotic drug. Antibiotic drug. It is a protein synthesis inhibitor, and also it is bacteriostatic. It is a bacteriostatic, and also it is active against. It is active against gram positive and gram negative bacteria. Like that, bacteria gram positive వల్ల కానీ gram negative వల్ల బ్యాక్టీరియా వల్ల వచ్చే వ్యాధుల మీద ఇది ఎగ్నిస్ట్ గా పోరాటం చేసి క్యూర్ అయ్యే విధంగా క్లోరోఫెనికల్ డ్రగ్ అనేది పనిచేస్తుంది. సో ఇట్స్ మాలిక్యులర్ ఫార్ములా C11H12O5N2Cl2. So its molecular formula C11H12O5N2Cl2. So what is the structure? Structure ఏ విధంగా ఉంటుంది? Chlorophenol structure ఏ విధంగా ఉంటుంది? So here first you draw the benzene ring. This is the benzene ring. So here in this position, that means para position, attached NO2 group. In this position attached the carbon. Here in this position attached the alcohol group. Here hydrogen. Here carbon. In this position attached the hydrogen. Again in this position attached NH and C double bond O and CH, Cl and alcohol group. This is the structure of chlorophenol. Here this portion main suffix. That means so here estamide dichloro. That means dichloroestamide. So main suffix portion. So in main suffix portion N connected the carbon. You go to in this way or in this way. So here you give the number 1, 2, 3. So here, so what is the naming of this structure? N and 1,3. Here in this case 1,3. The N connected 1,3 hydroxyl group. This is our hydroxyl group. So 1,3 dihydroxy and 1,4. Here first carbon connected. Here in this we go to numbering 1, 2, 3, 4 nitro. So first carbon connected 4 nitro. So 4 nitro. This is phenyl ring. So 4 nitro phenyl and number of carbons 3. So that's why propan 2-oil and dichloroistamide. Dichloroistamide. Here already formula C11H12O5 N2Cl2. The number of carbons 11. So count the number of carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So C11 and H12. Here 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. H12 it is verified and O5 1, 2, 4, 5. O5 are also verified and N2. Here N is there and also N2 verified. Cl2 are also verified. So this structure verified, satisfied the molecular formula. So chlorophyll molecular formula C11, H12O5 and Cl2. So how to synthesize this structure? How to synthesize? So starting material para-nitroistophenone as a starting material. First you draw the benzene ring. This is benzene ring. Of course here C11O and CH3. In this position or para position, it is attached NO2 group. So that's why this is here it is istophenone. Para position connected nitro group. This is naming the compound para nitro istophenone. Para nitro istophenone. So starting basic material para nitro istophenone basic. So para nitro istophenone treated with bromine and bromination. In this step here in this hydrogen and bromine eliminate the minus HBr eliminated. So remaining portion as usually benzene ring is there. Here benzene ring and in this position nitro group is there NO2. In this position C double bond O and C here CH2 is there. CH2 and Br. So here Br connected. So we will get this compound. So para-nitroistophenone and bromination it is eliminated the HBr. We will get this compound. So it is treated with hexamethylene, tetramine. So hexamethylene tetramine. So here alkyl halide and alkyl bromide converted to alkyl amine. So bromine converted to amino group. As usually, so draw the benzene ring. This portion benzene ring. Here position NO2 is there. Here in this position C double bond O. Here CH2. So bromine converted to amino group. Like alkyl halide converted to alkyl amine. So next step alkyl amine. So here in this case treated with acetic anhydride. Now write down the as usually NO2. As usually write down C double bond O, CH2 and H2. Now here in this case treated with acetic anhydride. CH3, CO, O, O, C double bond O, CH3, acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride. So here acetic anhydride treats at the break the bond. Here in this case proton anhydride. CH3 COOH eliminate the acetic acid eliminated. So remaining portion as usual write down benzene ring here NO2 and C double bond O and CH2 and NH. Remaining portion C double bond O and CH3. C double bond O and CH3. So we will get this compound which is treated with formaldehyde. HCH. Formaldehyde. Here in this case, our safety, our EG denoted by CH and bond H. Denoted bond H. Here in this case, so the carbonyl group, pi bond electron donated or shifted to here in this case. It is a partially developed the positive charge, partially developed the negative charge. So pi bond polarization is there. So that's why here negative charge attract the proton. So form the OH group. So bond involved in this carbon. This bond involved in this carbon. So next step, as usually write down benzene ring. In this position nitro group and C double bond O. So remaining portion here CH. Here in this portion write down here. This portion write down here NH and C double bond O and CH3. So this is this bond involved here. That means negative charge. Here positive charge. So here in this case connected. So electron which is there, electron deficiency is there. So connected to this area. So that means CH2 negative charge attract the proton. It will form the OH group. So CH2OH, alcohol, formation of alcohol. So we will get this compound. So which is an MPV reduction, Nealman van der Waals reduction. So what is Nealman van der Waals reduction? Here, in generally aldehydes or ketones, we treated aluminum isopropoxide. It will converted to alcohols. This is known as Nealman van der Waals reduction reaction. Here in this carbonyl group is there. Here MPV reduction, that means it will converted to alcohol. Here mainly alcohol. This carbonyl group converted to alcohol. So now write the next step. This ring as usually benzene ring. In this position NO2 group is there. So carbonyl group converted to alcohol. So carbonyl group converted to alcohol. CH and OH. And remaining portion CH, and above portion NH, C double bond O, and CH3, and remaining portion alcohol CH2OH. So this compound MPV reduction, we will get this compound. So this compound on hydrolysis, so here cut the bond, here H, and in this case OH. Now next step, as usually portion benzene ring, and NO2, and remaining portion CH and alcohol group bond CH. So CH3COOH eliminated. This product eliminated, CH3COOH eliminated. So remaining portion CH bond NH2, MNO group. Remaining portion alcohol CH2OH. So this compound which is on hydrolysis, we will get this compound. So which is on treated with dichloromethyl acetate. So which is treated with dichloromethyl acetate. So write down CH3O and C double bond O and CH, Cl and Cl. Here dichloromethyl acetate. Here in this case, here CH3O and proton. So CH3O minus the proton. It is eliminated the CH3OH. CH3OH eliminated. So remaining portion here benzene ring, this position attached NO2 group, and this position CH and OH. Remaining portions CH and bond NH. Here remaining connected C double bond O and CH, Cl and Cl. So remaining CH2OH alcohol. So this is known as chlorophenol. So this chlorophenol drug utility and uses. So chlorophenol is active against gram-positive bacteria and gram-negative bacteria. Both. గ్రామ్ పాజిటివ్ వల్ల వచ్చే డిసీజ్ మీద కానీ గ్రామ్ నెగిటివ్ వల్ల వచ్చే డిసీజ్ మీద కానీ రెండింటి మీద కూడా పనిచేస్తుంది ఇది. సో క్లోరోఫెనికల్ ఇస్ బెస్ట్ యాంటీబయాటిక్ అండ్ బ్రాడ్ స్పెక్ట్రమ్ యాంటీబయాటిక్ డ్రగ్. సో ఇట్ ఈజ్ డ్రగ్ యూటిలిటీ, ఇట్ ఈజ్ యూజ్డ్ against it is used against typhoid fever and cholera and also diarrhea and urinary tract infection. So urinary tract infections, and respiratory troubles. So chlorophenicol is a broad spectrum antibiotic. It will against the gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. So it is used against అంటే typhoid fever గాని, అదే విధంగా cholera గాని, diarrhea గాని, urinary tract infections, respiratory tracts troubles ఇటువంటి వాటి మీద ఇది బాగా వర్క్ చేస్తుంది. సో కాబట్టి క్లోరోఫెనికల్ బెస్ట్ యాంటీబయాటిక్ డ్రగ్.